All right. Here's our pad. Getting the level out. Here's our pieces. These are the metal structure. Versatube loafing shed. 30 by 12, 8 feet high frame. This is what it's going to look like. These are all of our pieces. Came on a pallet, weighed about 1,000 pounds. And we just took the pallet apart. So now here is our area. It's about 30 feet right next to our garden. Our chickens down there. So 12 is going to be this way, and 30 this way. So what we're trying to do is get these corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, to be semi-level, almost level. So we have the transit here. It's going to tell us if we need to add dirt. My guess is we need to add a little dirt in this corner because this hill slopes pretty good. And that's what we're going to do now. So I need a tape. Gotta go get my tape. You see, I'll put this on wide lens while we do this. Whoa, there we go. Test, 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 test. Here we go. So this was where I wanted the corner to be. Obviously, I'll dig this out. And you said off of here, everything else was a little low.
Yeah. Well,
about
I
this.
check right in the corner in the center there,
Right. So I need to come in with the tractor and scoop this out.
Right. And maybe put it. Looks a little here.
Well, yeah. So I'm gonna just scoop this whole side out.
Okay.
I want to try to keep it right against here.
Yeah.
I don't think that'll hurt anything.
No.
I did this before, so it should be pretty close, and then just go another 5. You should be right at that corner.
5?
Yeah. Oh, so we have plenty. I gave it plenty. All right, so we easily have 30. Yeah, and that's fine. And this needs to be 12, which is right here. So
Yeah, you're good.
I knew this corner was low because it just comes off in both directions.
Maybe if you just scrape some of that down this way.
All right. You have this safe. I know it just washed in. Got it within 2 or 3 inches. I'm going to move this stone. I'm going to put it in here and then finish leveling it. Time lapse, here we come.
Under the crashing waves.
All right, we got it covered. See where we're at. All right, so we're taking the transit. Let's put the corner right here, Dad. Like right in. We're about 2 inches low. A little low there. At least it's the same. It's about 2 inches.
Yeah.
So the 2 inches low here. That one's just about on. Maybe not. Right here is where I think we're low. Yeah, I just need another scoop here. Okay, so far we've got pretty much level. We've laid the base out. What we're doing now, right along here, we put these fit together. They have a fitting. We put an L bracket here, some screws, and then we're going to make sure each fitting is tight. These holes are for our anchors. We're going to put a little footer in, not a footer, but concrete, and then we screw those together with some self-tapping screws at each one of these, all the way to here. See, the stone's a little out of whack yet, but that's fine. I wanted to get that close. So here's what it's going to be. I'm going to add a bunch of stone right here. Then we can level this out. This whole front side is open. It's a loafing shed, so we have 3 sides. And that's that. Just going to anchor them together. I'm going to have to run to Lowe's and get some concrete and some forms, so we can put forms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Calls for 8 forms. And then we're going to set some anchors that go down into the concrete here. We have high winds here up on this hill, very high winds sometimes. So we want to do it right. We want to put our forms in and our anchor screws in each hole. So we're going to finish that up. That'll probably be about it for today. And there we go. We have all of our sheeting and roofing down here ready to go. Once we get the frame built, we're going to put all the sheeting on the sides and the roof.